First of all, I would like to greet you all. Namaskar, everybody. Today, we are going to discuss something about one of the most important topic relating to human rights, that is COVID-19, coronavirus, and human rights in the world of globalization. So, my defense today, first of all, I would like to clarify something about the human right. Human rights means the right which is also generally called the natural rights, worth rights. And my defense, human rights are those rights which are essential the for the existence of human life. Without having human rights, life of human is not possible in any case. In this regard, many documents are available at the international level as United Nations Charter, which has been adopted on 24 October 1945. Thereafter, UDHR, namely Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948. Thereafter, the UDHR has been explained and further extended, reaffirmed in International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966, and also further one of the international covenants after ICCPR has been adopted as International Covenant on Economic, Social, Cultural Rights 1966. So, my dear friends, but all documents are silent in respect of the definition of human rights. But right now, our topic is human rights in the world of globalization and COVID 19, that is coronavirus. So, UDHR, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, reveals that a common standard of achievement for all people and nations to the end, and that every individual and every organ of society mean we have to ensure the common standard of human. So my defense further, every person has a right to life, liberty, and the security of person, which has been mentioned under Article 3 of UDHR, that is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Now, coronavirus is being spread in worldwide, and it is unlimited destruction of human and humanity. So further my defense, I would like to tell you something about every person has right to health. In this regard, clause 1, article 25 of Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948, which has been adopted on 10 December, which is known as World or International Human Rights Day. Every Everyone has the right to a standard of living adequate for the health and well-being of himself and of his family, including food, clothing, housing and medical care and necessary social services, and the right to security in the event of unemployment, sickness, disability, widowhood, old age, or other lack of livelihood in circumstances beyond his control. Mean these articles provide us to right to health. But coronavirus is seriously, unlimitedly, which is untold, unexpressed, is violating the right to health as well as right to life, a personal liberty and security of human. Further, my defense, UDHR has been explained and specified in the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights 1966, in which clause 1 of article 6 reveals that every person, mean be considered every human being, has the inherent right to life. The right shall be protected by law. No one shall be arbitrarily deprived of his life. Further, my defense, I would like to tell you something about further the UDHR or United Nations Charter has also reaffirmed in International Covenant on Economic, Social, Cultural Rights 1966, in which it has been mentioned under Clause B of Article 7, safe and healthy working conditions, which are now not available during the coronavirus. People are not being able to do their work, and it is a heinous, fiercely, and most unlimitedly violation of human rights, not only India but also worldwide. Further, my defense, Clause 1, Article 12 of International Covenant on Economic, Social, Cultural Rights 1966 reveals that the right of everyone to the enjoyment of the highest attainable standard of physical and mental health. So, my defense, all documents reveals the conception of human rights. Human rights are available to all mankind without having any distinction, without having any discrimination of race, sex, nationality, male, female, or transgender or color. Everything is irrespective, my dear friends. Only respect is human rights. Human rights are available for us being human. But now, in the year of 2020, including 2019, when the coronavirus has been spread, the human rights are being violated very seriously. And I would like to refer article 2 of UDHR, which reveals that everyone is entitled to all the rights and freedoms set forth in the declaration without distinction of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national, social origin, property, worth, or other status. Furthermore, no distinction shall be made on the basis of the political jurisdiction or international status of the country or territory to which a person belongs, whether it be independent, trust, and non-self-governing, or other, or under any other limitation of sovereignty. So, my defense, the UDHR has been adopted by United Nations, which functions on the basis of principle of sovereignty. But further, I would like to place something before you all, my dear friends. The coronavirus, which was found in Wuhan, China, thereafter the virus has spread in many countries of the world. Lakhs of people were infected by this virus and thousands of people were dead. WHO, namely World Health Organization, has named the virus as novel COVID-19, which has now become the pandemic disease in the worldwide. Now, my defense, the most of the countries, news channels, newspapers have imposed allegations on China as to COVID-19. But the China has denied from all kinds of allegations. But in according to the several newspapers and news channels, allegation by the countries and consequences. Corollary, it shows that it's not sudden develop and start virus. Further, my defense, Luc Antonio Montagnier from France, who is the Nobel Prize winner in the year of 2008 for medicine, reveals, and he claims in an interview with French CNews channel that the coronavirus has come from Wuhan's lab, China, which has tested to develop a vaccine against the AIDS virus. As per media, as per media reports, now it is found true, then it's the unlimited, most serious, fiercely violation of human rights, because everyone has right to life, personal liberty, security, including right to health in whole worldwide. I think so. Being human. Also, on the pursuit of all aforesaid things, COVID-19 has destructed unlimitedly of humanity, economy, and other related things, including also the concept of globalization. I can say that it is also the destruction of globalization in worldwide. Now, prime question is before us: who is liable for such destruction? Whosoever has committed the act of COVID-19 and violated the human rights be strictly treated for its consequences. And this irreparable injury, destruction of the world, and destruction of human and humanity and economy is unlimited. The mankind has the untold sorrow which cannot be expressed by words or language. So, my dear friends, this is the serious problem, not a problem, it is the magnum issue before the worldwide, because thousands of people were died due to the effect of the coronavirus. So all the states, mean all the countries, must take all the necessary required steps against the country, against the person who has spread the virus, to save human and humanity. In my opinion, in present scenario, one of the most important factor before us, how to save human and humanity. Thereafter we will discuss something about the economy. In all all things, human is major center point. Thereafter, thereafter comes economy, but first is human. So I think with collective efforts, with the coordination, we must first of all save human and humanity. So this video is being uploaded on YouTube channel for the purposes of welfare of world human living creatures and this creation. And this video doesn't claim any kind of medical things. So please, if you like this video, then please like it, comment, subscribe it, and also forward your feedback to me. Thank you so much for listening patiently. Thank you so much.